Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to subscribe to Office 365. Start by signing into your Microsoft account or creating one if needed, then pick a plan that fits your needs and budget. Choose personal, family, or business, review included apps and cloud storage, and confirm billing frequency. Enter payment details, accept terms, and click subscribe to activate your account. You will then download apps and start using Office quickly. Selecting the right plan is simple when you focus on what you actually need. Think about how many people will use the subscription and whether you need advanced business tools or simple personal apps. Compare included OneDrive storage amounts and app access so you do not overpay. Consider monthly billing for flexibility or annual plans for cost savings if you plan to stay long-term. That way you get the best value for your needs. Once your subscription is active, install Office apps on your PC, Mac, tablet, and phone and sign in with the same Microsoft account to sync settings. Visit your Microsoft account page to view billing details, change plans, add users, or update payment information. You can enable auto-renew for convenience or turn it off, and set a calendar reminder to decide before renewal. Managing everything from one account keeps access smooth and organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.